So your question was when ADP release in respiration. So firstly, should know the full form of ADP and ATP. So here E and ATP. So ADP full form is adenosine diphosphate, whereas ATP means adenosine triphosphate. So here I'm going to repeat it once more about the respiration. So the process in which food is broken down to produce the energy, and as I have told you, and this energy is stored in the form of the ATP. In chemistry, we have learned that जब हम दो चीज़ों को जोड़ते हैं या फिर कोई भी दो बॉन्ड को बनाते हैं तो हमें एनर्जी देनी पड़ती है, या फिर दो चीज़ों के बीच में बने हुए बॉन्ड को तोड़ते हैं तो हमें एनर्जी मिलती है, isn't it? So now you see A means adenosine, or adenosine is a chemical, and triphosphate means the 3-phosphate. Alright, so similarly diphosphate means the 2-phosphate. Alright, I have taken the formula of the glucose. So glucose has 6 carbon compound. अब ये जो कार्बन के बीच में जो बॉन्ड है, so this bond break down to produce the energy, and this energy is stored in the form of ATP. Alright, so now you see that in our blood freely we found some compound like the ADP and the phosphate. These ADP and phosphate get together and they create the ATP and they store the energy. So you can see here for example, somewhere in my body, my muscles required energy. So what will happen that the ATP, that means the triphosphate group, will does what? The bond that consists the energy will break down and it will convert itself into the ATP. Alright, so you can see here the ATP and the phosphate group are totally separated and the energy is produced.